Is Google Gemini not responding by voice? In this video, we'll learn how to solve this audio not working problem from mobile. First of all, open the Google Gemini app. Now tap on the two horizontal lines at the top. Scroll down and tap on the setting gear. Now scroll down again. Now tap on settings. Here, scroll down a bit. Tap on digital assistance from Google. Now make sure to select on Google Gemini, not Google Assistant. After you tap on Google Gemini, head back. Now scroll up and tap on languages. Now select your preferred languages that you would like to converse in using voice with Google. I've added English for now. Now head back. Now tap on Talk to Gemini hands-free. Make sure that Hey Google option is turned on. So tap on that. Now go back and try playing with audio. Hey Google, how are you? As you can see, now this can work. Also, if you tap on here, no thanks, you can always turn on the caption button also. So tap on no thanks for now. Now close this. If this doesn't solve your problem, then what you can do is hold on to the app for some time, tap on I. It will lead you to setting. Now scroll down a bit, tap on storage. Here you'll find two options, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now this should solve your problem. Now try restarting the app and hopefully your problem is solved. Thank you for watching this video, guys.